Hey, how would you like to learn how to buy a multi-million-dollar apartment building with only $800 or $900? I had a $10 million complex under contract on Undercover Billionaire. Go to Discovery Channel. You can see it there, or you can join me for the webinar. I'll show you exactly how I structured the deal with less than the money I have in my hand, how I had a $10 million piece of real estate in the palm of my hand, in control. Number one thing about real estate is you could be eating lunch and it's still gonna take care of you, okay? Biggest mistake you guys are making is not doing deals, I'm telling you. I've been saying this for a while now. Number one, you're not doing deals. Number two, the deals are too small. I'm gonna show you how to do some massive deals. Even though you don't have any money, even though you got a credit problem, and even though you don't know what you're doing. Don't let not knowing and not having keep you from not knowing and not having. You know what I'm saying? Ladies and gentlemen, boys and friends, investors and wannabe investors, I didn't know and I didn't have until I started knowing and started having. Okay, I've got 9,000 apartments that pay me about $1,875 a month. Do the math on that. 9,000 times 1,875. Okay, do the math on that. And the game that I'm going to teach you how to play is that game. And you can start today, you can start tomorrow, but you got to start. Okay, because you can't have until you know. And the only way to get the knowing is you got to get busy learning, what am I looking for? What am I trying to buy? What assets do I say no to immediately? And what assets do I like? Okay, this is what I'm looking for. There's an exact model, okay, math, a code. And I'm gonna show you some of these deals. Now these deals are available in every market. They're available in your market. I've done all these deals right here. I'm doing this deal right here next to my office, 219,000 square feet. I've never done an office deal before, but I know what it takes to make a income producing deal work. The debt is an issue, the equity is an issue, the cash flow is an issue, okay? These deals, this deal, we did this in Fort Lauderdale during COVID. If you'd have told me 25 years ago, one day I would buy $108 million real estate, I'd be like, you crazy. Well, how about this one, okay? See, you can't see what you can't see and refuse to see. This is a $165 million piece of real estate. I'll show you how to buy this deal. I'll show you how to raise the money for the deal. I'll show you how to get the debt on the deal and manage the deal, even if you've never done a deal. Here's Orlando, Florida. That's Boca, that's Aventura. Here's Orlando, Florida, Murano Apartments across from the Ritz Hotel. We bought this deal. What did we put down on this deal? We stole this deal, didn't we, Ryan?
What is it?
Murano.
About 15.
Yeah. Port Royale, 556 units. That last one's 204 units. Port Royale, okay? Why am I showing you these deals? Because you need to know what to look for. You need to know what to look for. These are deals we haven't done before, and they're in your market. I guarantee you they're in your marketplace right now, okay? Springs, Florida. Orlando, Florida. This deal's in Scottsdale, Arizona, called Desert Parks, okay? How does it work? How much do I need to put down? How much equity do I need, okay? How much debt do I need? This is Cardone Capital right here behind me. See, I'm showing you the Santa Fe Ranch. I don't want this deal. Do you know why I don't want it? When I look at the package, my team's like, this deal's fantastic. No, we don't want this deal. You gotta know what not to see so you know what to buy. Okay, 334 units in Winter Garden, Florida. Houston, Texas, Indigo Station, Houston. Sugarland portfolio, okay? Here's a deal, Jefferson, West Shore. I know why I want the West Shore deal, okay? So look, do you even know where to find this material? I'll show you where to get the material for free, how to get access to the best real estate in the world. And then I'm going to show you our exact procedure for underwriting the deal and the potential of the deal and the possibility of the deal, how long you're going to keep the deal, how much it'll cash flow you, how to do splits with your investors if you don't have any cash and you need to raise the money. These deals that I'm doing today, they're so big you have to raise money. why you want partners, how to get debt, how to manage, how to cash flow, how to improve the rents, how to go to court with evictions. I will show you every piece of the game. So look, come to the free webinar. I'll show you exactly how to play the game the way I play it. And for the rest of you that want to go all the way with TWA, okay, then you come to that 3-day mastermind. You can ask me questions for 3 days. I'll walk you through every model that we have for buying real estate and making sure you never, ever, ever get tied up in a deal you don't want to do. I never have. I've never done a deal that didn't make me enough money. I've never done a deal that lost money. I've never done a deal in my entire career that didn't cash flow every month. I was literally paid, check it out, paid to buy something. I'll show you how to do that. Listen to me, America is on sale, and it's on sale right now. Some of you right now don't believe all these news and media people saying real estate's overpriced. Wrong. In your market right now, there's real estate that's off market that if you knew how to call them, knew what offer to make, you could get it. I just bought that deal right there behind me. Been hunting that thing off market for 2 years, paid less after COVID than I would have paid before COVID. Also just bought an apartment deal, probably $6 or $8 million behind market. I'm gonna show you exactly how to play that game right now in your marketplace. Don't believe what everybody's telling you about. Oh my God, real estate's too expensive. Look, this game just got started and I wanna show you how to play the game. I can't buy everything. You can. Then together we can. Maybe I buy a deal with you. Click the link below. I'm gonna show you exactly how to find underpriced real estate in your market, off market. You're probably not sitting in a Cullinan right now. I know, I could never imagine when I was 25, 26 years old, paying this stupid, ridiculous money. I mean, this car is beautiful, don't get me wrong. It's beautiful, I mean, it's crazy, right? But this is what's most important, and it's not this car. It's this: peace, love, and cash flow. And the more cash flow you get, the more peace you're gonna have. I'm just telling you. I'd even tell you that you might even have more love in your life if you get more cash flow. And this car right here will not provide you with cash flow, okay? This is how I did my game. Some of you watching me today, you're like, man, this guy's rocking. I am rocking, okay? Let me tell you why I'm rocking. Because when I was 28 years old, I started studying real estate. I've been playing a real estate game now for 35 years. I have played the game in 10, 11 states in the United States and bought over $3 billion worth of real estate in my career. I want to share that game with you. I started with nothing. My first deal was $3,000. Listen to what I'm telling you. My first deal was $3,000 and I have bought $3 billion worth of real estate in my career. I want to teach you the game. I can't buy it all, okay? The only reason I wouldn't share this with you is because I'm a selfish bastard. So if you want the help, if you want to learn the game, you can read a book if you want to. But what I would rather do is have you hit the link below. Let me give you a webinar so you can join me. I can walk you through deals, show you the structure. This technology didn't exist years ago. You had to read everything out of a book, okay? Or you had to hire somebody and pay them a bunch of money to learn the game. I'm gonna show you how to find a deal, how to control the deal, how to write a contract for a deal, how to write a PSA on a deal, how to get a loan on a deal, how to manage the deal. I'm gonna show you how to get the equity for the deal if you don't have the dough. I'm gonna show you how to get the cash or the equity. I'm gonna show you how to get the loan on the deal. I'm gonna show you how to underwrite the deal. And most importantly, I'm gonna show you what deals not to look at. Because some of you are wasting time on deals that can never, ever make money. I'll show you all that. But I'm not gonna show you how to buy that. I'm gonna show you how to make a bunch of money, okay? Because nobody needs to know how to buy a Cullinan. Let's keep it real. Hey, join me for the free webinar. It's free, okay? It's free, but it's gonna make you a lot of money. I'm telling you, because it'll show you how to play the real estate game the way I play it.